So measurements that are taken straight are called vertical measurements, and then the ones taken like this, flat like this, or bent like this, are called horizontal measurements. So if you want to start your measurement, yes, and that's how you get your lines. When you say your shoulder line, your bust line, your hip line, your waistline, and all that. So all those lines are gotten from taking your vertical measurements. Then before you talk about the horizontal measurement. So of course the first measurement that usually taken for gowns, shirts is usually from your shoulder. So you start from your shoulder to your bust. Vertical measurement, remember? So you start from your shoulder to your bust. Most people usually between 10 and 10 and a half. The other bigger sizes you get 11, 11 and a half. And if the person is very tall, very extremely tall, it might just be 12. But most of my clients are from 10, some people 9, yes, depends on the height. Some people, I've seen 8.5. So it's from 10, some can be 10, some can be 11, and whatever have you. So you start from your shoulder, you place it well, and then you get your bust measurement. If you're making a bustier, you get your under bust measurement, then you get your waist measurement, then you get your hip measurement. Of course, around here is your hip measurement. And whenever you're taking measurement, you must try to put it straight and on top of the bust or the chest. It mustn't slant like this. Once it goes like this, you get a wrong measurement. So once it's correct, the 0 line, the 0 point is on your shoulder. The thing to do next is to ensure that it's on your bust or on your chest vertically like this. Then you take whatever measurement that you want to take up to maybe the length of the gown, the length of the trouser. Of course, then your vertical measurements is a normal thing. Also, if you want to take your sleeve, it's a must that you must do your vertical measurement and your horizontal measurement. So if you want to take your sleeves, it goes like this, and then you keep it straight, and then you take your measurement. Because I'm doing it on myself, you can't really see, but this is how it should be. It should be from here, from the shoulder point. You see this bone here. From that point, you take it for your sleeves. And then for your shoulders, of course, you're moving over to the horizontal measurements now. For your shoulders, if you want to take, you must start from your shoulders if you want to take your horizontal measurements. For your shoulders, you take your tape this way. You take it this way, you put it on your neck. Then you place it on that bone of your shoulder, and you take your measurement. So it's this way, that way. I must come